Alright, hey guys, I'm in the shop here, and I got a Cummins manifold here that's leaking pretty bad. We're just going to take a plane off of the engine side. As you can tell with all the black soot, it's been leaking for a little bit. So what would cause a Cummins manifold to leak? Well, this manifold was out of a truck that was already deleted, as we can tell, and I've been told that the manifold had already come off. When this manifold was made, it may not have been stress relieved per se, and got stress relieved on the engine. So it would have been bolted up, flange to flange, everything tight with a gasket, and then through heat cycles, heat cool of the motor, then what ends up happening over time is it forms to that position, or stress relieves the material inside of your manifold in a molecular level, and then when it was taken off, then chances are it could have distorted. But there's also the fact that maybe someone didn't put the gaskets in properly, maybe it wasn't tightened down properly. Those things could be affected as well. I will tell you that it is out about 20 thou over the length, so hopefully we can skim it off and give it a clean cut. I think we're looking at about 10 thou down here, 5 thou-ish about here, and then it drops 10 thou over there again. So we're going to see how this cleans up. I've ended up clamping it down here on the face. It still has one stud in it, and we propped it up on parallels. It's running pretty true end to end, and I'm just going to dial it here up and down just to make sure there's nothing too crazy, and then I'm going to clamp it down and take the cut off of it. We can see right in there where it still hasn't touched, and we're running at about a 7 thou cut right now. So actually, besides this first one right here, which was, this one was in about 10 thou, everything else cleaned up exceptionally well. And again, over here, it needs a little bit more on the end. So we're going to dust this off with probably maybe 5 thou. Let's take 3 thou. I think 3 thou is plenty. Clean up. Three and a half. Just gonna make sure. And there we go. we'll get this off, get it over to the bench, finish deburring the holes, and she's ready to go to the customer. So there you have it. Nice and smooth, ready to go. That'll help the turbo spool. Any lost exhaust gas through the exhaust system is a reduction in boost, because that's what spins your turbo. So if you do have an exhaust leak and it's coming from your manifold, you're losing boost. Alright, that's it for this time, guys. See you next time, Buzzy.